Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Optima 2007 to 2010? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Kia Optima features protection for major engine and power distribution systems. It supports circuits for the engine control module, ignition, ABS, fuel system, cooling fans, headlights, and other critical components, ensuring dependable performance and safety. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 and 2010 Kia Optima features protection for key engine and electrical systems. It manages circuits for the engine control unit, ignition, ABS, fuel pump, cooling fans, headlights, and other vital components, ensuring reliable operation and electrical safety. Driver's side fuse box panel. The driver's side fuse box panel in the 2007 and 2008 Kia Optima features protection for interior electrical systems. It controls circuits for components such as the power windows, interior lights, audio system, central locking, and wipers, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. The driver's side fuse box panel in the 2009 Kia Optima features protection for various interior electrical functions. It manages circuits for systems like the power windows, audio unit, interior lighting, central locking, and wipers, helping maintain safe and efficient operation. The driver's side fuse box panel in the 2010 Kia Optima features protection for essential interior electrical systems. It controls circuits for the power windows, audio system, interior lights, central locking, and wipers, ensuring reliable functionality and safety. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.